Hey everyone, today we're doing question 3E on page 302 of section 6.5. And the first thing I like to do with the proof questions is to see which side of the question is harder. And this one, it's the right side. So once I know that, I'd start by changing cotangents into sines and coses. So this is going to equal cosine squared x over sine squared x minus 1 over 2 cosine x over sine x. And then the next thing I would do is on the top half of this is get a common denominator. So I'll multiply this 1 by sine squared x over sine squared x. So then this is going to look like cos squared x minus sine squared x all over sine squared x over 2 cos x over sine x. And I can put this all over 1 sine squared x because it have the same denominator. And then from there, I'd be looking at my trig identities sheet, and I'd see that cos squared x minus sine squared x is equal to cos 2x. So then I would rewrite this as cos 2x over sine squared x all over 2 cos x over sine x. And then running out of space here, so I'll go up to the side. But then that would, from there, I would flip and multiply the bottom part to make it equal to cos 2x sine x over sine squared x 2 cos x. And then from here, I'd see that I have 1 sine x here and a sine squared x here, so I can cancel those. So I'll now have cos 2x over sine x 2 cos x. And then again, looking at the trig identities sheet, you can see that it's written out as 2 sine x cos x, but by just readjusting it a little bit, you can get sine x 2 cos x equals sine 2x. So then now it can be written as cos 2x over sine 2x, which can again be rewritten as cotangent 2x, which equals this, what we started with.